Well, this is a mess. Today, I'm going to show you how to undo your popcorn ceiling without wearing it. How to undo with Mike Montgomery. That's me. So you hate your popcorn ceilings and they might actually be dangerous. Well, today I'm going to show you how to undo it. And all you're going to need is a sprayer, some ceiling scrapers, and drop cloths to cover up any furniture you can't move out of the room. Let's get started. First, you'll want to protect any items that you can't get out of the room with a plastic drop cloth or canvas. And be sure to mask off any fixtures that can't be removed. Nice. And to protect yourself, make sure and wear some goggles and a high-quality mask. And of course, gloves never hurt. Ouch. Now we can start undoing. For smaller jobs, a normal spray bottle should work great. But for larger rooms or a whole house, I recommend getting a sprayer like this. Just add some water, a couple drops of dish soap, and pump it up. Now we're looking for good coverage, but we don't want to apply so much water that it soaks in and damages the drywall underneath. And now that we're prepped, you can grab your scraper and get started. You'll want to hold it at about a 45-degree angle and everything should come off really clean. And a putty knife like this makes it easy to get into hard-to-reach areas. And for even less mess, you can use a popcorn ceiling scraper with a bag attachment. That way it catches everything as you go. Scraping will expose some imperfections in your drywall, maybe even some screw or nail holes. So we'll fill those up with spackle or joint compound and then sand them smooth. Let's paint. See, I told you it was simple. Just spray, scrape, sand, and paint. And enjoy your new non-popcorn ceilings. So thanks a ton for watching. Be sure to click here for more How to Undo episodes, and here for additional information on wall and ceiling textures. As always, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on How to Undo. Bye, everybody.